Viloria said he got into amateur wrestling as a young kid, but he felt it. This was the direction his career would be headed, and he may have Peniel hurt here as he chips away with big power shots.
Yeah, that's it.
Referee Thomas Taylor has...
Woo! Go! Go! That's it! Let's go! Good job, Justin!
Bukod kay Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire, Aston Mighty Palikti at Daimler Zamora, ay may isang dugong Pinoy pa ang lumaban sa undercard ng labang Crawford versus Spence Jr. Ito ay ang undefeated young prospect ngayon na pamangkin ng dating world champion na si Brian the Hawaiian Punch Viloria. Ito ay ang 18 anyos at southpaw na si Justin Viloria. May height na 5'9" at may kasalukuyang record ito ngayon na 3 wins, 0 loss, 3 via knockout at lumalaban sa Super Featherweight Division. Bata pa lang ay maaga na itong namulat sa sports na boxing. Kaya naman, bata pa lang ay madaming beses na itong napalaban sa mga amateur fights. Madalas sa training nila ay makikita ang tiyuhin nitong si Brian Viloria. Tila pinagtuunan ng focus ang batang ito. Nakikitang may future dahil sa tangkad nito na 5'9" at sa pagiging southpaw at sa determinado na din itong manalo ng isang kampyonato. Sa kagustuhang sundin ang landas na tinahak ng kaniyang tiyuhing si Brian Viloria at sa pasyon na din sa boxing mula pa ng bata pa ito, ay agad pumasok sa professional boxing itong si Justin Viloria. Gustong ipamalas agad ang angking tibay, tapang at lakas. Pumasok sa professional ngayong taon lang. Unang laban niya ay noong April kontra Sir Darius Smith. Tinalo niya ito via TKO sa round 1 lang. Sa sumunod na buwan ay muli siyang napalaban kontra naman kay Pedro Pinilio. Tinalo pa din niya ito via 4th round TKO.
He may have Peniel hurt here as he chips away with big power shots.
Yeah, that's it.
Referee...
At ang pangatlong laban niya ay noong linggo lang, undercard ng labang Spence versus Crawford. Nakalaban niya ang kapwa undefeated at isang Meksikano na si Pedro Burgaro. May record itong kalaban na 5 wins, 0 loss, 3 via knockout. Pareho silang 18 anyos at magkasing tangkad lang din sila. Kaya naman, isang maaksyong palitan ng mga suntok ang nakita sa bakbakan. Pero nangibabaw ang tibay, galing at puso ng boksingerong may dugong Pinoy. Isang impresibong laban ulit ang pinakita ni Justin Viloria. Nakuha niya ang panalo via 4th round TKO at napanatili ang malinis at perpektong kartada nito. Habang nalasap naman ng batang Meksikano na si Burgaro ang pinakaunang pagkatalo. Isa na naman itong si Justin Viloria sa mga boksingerong may lahing Pinoy na aabangan natin. Bata pa pero may potensyal na. Matangkad, southpaw at under pa ng dating world champion na tiyuhin niya na si Brian Viloria. Kaya naman malaki ang potensyal na maging kampiyon ito.
Justin, catch his ass. Got him! Got him! Come on, Justin. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Finish him. Hurt. You gotta give it to him. Good shot. Good shot. Come on, Justin. Put his hands down. Get his body out of there. Woo! Come on, baby. He's down. Good shot, baby. Good shot. Work him. Oh, got him, baby. Got him. This time finish him, Justin. Good shot. How you doing, Ref? Good to see you, bro. Set him down. Oh! Oh! Got him! Come on, Justin, jump on him. Come on, Justin. Go! 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 That's it! Good job, Justin!
He's 18 years old, as we mentioned, but we talked to him this week. Despite just one pro bout up to this point, the confidence...
Just standing in front of each other, trading here a little bit. Some trunk movement from Pinicho to draw out some of the attack.
This fight largely being contested in the center of the ring as both fighters digging in. Good right hook, dealing each other out and getting into the action early.
Ooh. Well, they're starting to getting through.
Left to the chin. Coming up on 1 minute to go here in round two. Isn't that concerned about Viloria's family name or history, saying in the end. So by Pinillo, and a left over the top slip through.
That left hook is money. Sari than perhaps Viloria was expecting. Fully recognized the threat.
But iron sharpening iron in the neighborhood pickup. Aaron Pico at one point called the biggest prospect
From Viloria. He's well balanced. Right? He good right hand. I like it when Viloria is throwing in combination.
First of all, it's a game of consistency. It's consistency.
More. He's got a good one, and it's landing. Here's it at the end of the round.
Seems like it's the lights being too bright for young Justin Viloria.
Getting back on that jab, you see, and putting combinations. Yeah, it looks to me like his corner told him to get back on the jab between rounds. Viloria is starting to do some good work, especially when he's mixing it up with the jab.
Viloria said he got into amateur wrestling as a young kid, but once he put on the boxing gloves, he felt it. This was the direction his career would be headed, and he may have Pinillo hurt here as he chips away with big power shots.
Yeah, that's it.
Referee Thomas Taylor has seen enough.
Of course, there's going to be. It's totally understandable. But we look back at what he did well in this contest, the timing.